In 2014, two explosions of ammunition depots occurred in Vrbětice in the Zlín District of the Czech Republic. The first explosion occurred on 16 October and the second on 3 December. 2 people were killed in the first explosion. The cleaning of unexploded ammunition left by the blasts ended on 13 October 2020. According to the Security Information Service and the police of the Czech Republic, 2 GRU agents from Unit 29155 were involved in the explosions. Both destroyed warehouses were located on the site of the state-owned Military Technical Institute, leased by the Ostrava-based company IMEX Group, which deals with the arms trade, and a total of 6 buildings were leased on site, in which the company stored ammunition, weapons and other goods. The owner was Petr Bernadik Jr., who was the executive director and, together with his father, also worked in several other armaments companies. On 16 October 2014, the first explosion occurred at warehouse number 16, containing 50 tons of ammunition, which was thrown as far as 800 meters away after the blast. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.